How to install Norton Antivirus software. Step 1. Open your browser and log into your Norton account. Step 2. Click on the My Account drop-down. Step 3. Click on Account Settings. Step 4. Open the My Subscriptions tab. Step 5. Go to the antivirus software you want to install. Step 6. Click on the Download button. Step 7. Click on Agree and Download. Note: click on Send a download link to install it on other devices. Step 8. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Step 9. Click on Install Norton 360. Step 10. Wait for the installation to complete. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.